Hello children, in the earlier class you have learnt about diseases caused by deficiency of nutrients. So you have learnt about kwashiorkor, marasmus, night blindness, beriberi, scurvy, then rickets, goiter and also anemia. So these are all the diseases. They are caused by the lack of nutrients like protein, carbohydrate, fats, vitamins and minerals. I hope you understood. Today let us learn about food adulteration. What is adulterate or what do you mean by adulteration? See, usually at your house you will notice before cooking you will see your parents clean the rice, isn't it? While cooking dals, they'll thoroughly wash it. You might have observed at your houses. Why they'll do it? Because these are all items, they are added with some unwanted substances. Okay, so without cleaning, if you consume them, it causes illness to your health. So in this rice, you will notice small stones. You will get some small stones in the rices if you clean them thoroughly. So they are all added to items to make it to make it impure. Okay, so such thing is called food adulteration. That process is called food adulteration. So what is food adulteration? The process of reducing the quality of food items. Okay, it is a process of reducing quality of food items by adding unwanted substances. Okay, by adding unwanted substances, they'll make the food items impure. Okay, that is called food adulteration. So usually why they'll do it, why the sellers do it? To increase the quantity, okay, to increase the quantity and to make more money. Like if you purchase 1 kg of rice or you will purchase a bag of rice, okay, a bag of rice, say like you have purchased 25 kg. So if you purchase 25 kg of rice, here you will get nearly half kg of stones, or pebbles, some small sands like that, okay, half kg of impurities you will get in this. So that half kg rice amount is left over with them. So that half kg they'll add to another bag. So to make money like that. So say that you have a person sell milk, okay. Think that a person sell milk. So he has 4 liters of milk in his house, okay, 4 liters. Say that he has 4 liters. And for this 4 liters he has to give it to 6 houses. Okay, he has to give it to 6 houses. How he will give? What he will do? For this 4 liters he will add another 2 liters of water. So he will mix with 2 liters of water so that it will become 6 liters. So he will send it to 6 houses. So like that, that is called food adulteration. So if they add pure water, it is okay. But sometimes what they will do, they will add impure water. Okay, they will add dirty water to the milk. Even there are chances of adding such things. So that is called food adulteration. So increase the quantity. What happened here? There was 4 liter pure water. Pure milk was 4 liter. So what they have did? They have added 2 liters of water. So that quantity increased. It has become 6 liter. Is there 6 liter of milk? No. There is no 6 liter of milk. There is only 4 liter. But what happened? We will get quantity is increased here. So it has become 6 liter. Isn't it? So it is difficult to notice, isn't it? So here when you add water to the milk, there is no change. The color doesn't change. It is white itself. So quantity increased. To create that sense, what the sellers will do, they will add unwanted substances to the food items. Okay, that process is called food adulteration. Okay, that process is called food adulteration. So what is food adulteration? Process of reducing the, it is process of reducing the quality of food items by adding harmful substances. By adding harmful substances in them. That is called food adulteration. So it is a process of reducing the quality. So by adding adulterants or by adding these impurities, what happens? The quality of the food becomes reduces. Okay, food quality reduces. That is called food adulteration. So it is given in your textbook some of the common foods that are adulterated. Let us see what are they. So usually one example I said, that is milk, and then another one rice, isn't it? So rice, most usually in the rice you will see it is added with small stones or pebbles, glass pieces, then plastics, everything. So not all the time, but sometimes you will notice. Okay. So here rice, pulses and wheat mixed with pebbles, sand grit and mud. Sand grit is nothing but small stones. Okay. Pieces of mud or stone. Then dals, usually I said before cooking, dals will be washed thoroughly. So if you wash them thoroughly, you will see that yellow water, the water changes to yellow color, because that is color added to the dals. Okay, they are the poisonous colors added to dals. So if you wash them thoroughly in hot water, you will notice yellow water. It changes to yellow color. Water changes to yellow color. That is because those dals are added with poisonous colors. Okay. So to give them good color. So by looking at the color, we will see that it is very good quality. The quality is nice. So we'll purchase it. To create that sense, they'll add color, poisonous colors to the dals. Okay. So poisonous coloring agents added to improve the color of the dals. Next one, edible oils. Edible oils in the sense, the cooking oils, whatever we use, sunflower oil, coconut oil, sesame oil, groundnut oil and many more, whatever we use, no cooking oils, they are all added with cheaper and toxic oils like mineral oil. Mineral oil is toxic and it is added to the edible oils. So you can notice in this one, what some of the oils like Ruchi Gold or whatever you get, no, this one Gold Winner and many more you will get. At the bottom you can notice some thick substances settles down. Okay, that is nothing but these cheaper oils. They are mixed with the edible oils. So next, honey. Honey, it is adulterated with sugar and jaggery syrup. Okay, for this they'll add sugar, jaggery syrup and even glucose also. They'll add it to honey so that it will be very sweet. You will if you taste the honey, it will be very sweet. Why it is sweet? Because of adding this jaggery or sugar syrup. So it is not pure one. Next, sugar and salt. They are added with tiny piece of glass and chalk powder. So if you observe sugar jar that contains sugar, at the bottom you can see small powder like substances settles down. Not all the time, sometimes you will notice. If you do not, like sometimes if you get such items, so they are at the bottom, it settles down. Small powder like substance. What is that? That is nothing but chalk powder. Okay. This chalk powder they'll add to the salt or sugar. So that what happens, even you will get no table salt. So this one, fine powder like salt. For that they'll add stone powders. For that they will add stone powders because that is white in color. Stone powder also white in color. So they will mix with the stone powder. Okay. Table salt will be mixed with the stone powder. So they'll make it impure. To increase the quantity, they'll make it impure. So next, chili powder. Chili powder is red in color. For that they'll add red brick powder. Okay, they'll add red brick powder. Next, milk. As I said, milk will be added with water, sometimes impure water. So what happens is, by adding all these substances, anyhow they will make money. Okay, sellers, they do not worry about our health. They will add these impure substances to the food items. If we consume them without cleaning, what happens? It causes illness in our health. Okay. Sometimes these are all chemicals, toxics, whatever added, they are all not good for our health. So they cause diseases in our health. We get diseases. If we eat such contaminated or adulterated food items. So it is suggested we must clean them. Before using them, we have to clean them. Clear? So these are all common food items. They are made unwanted, okay, unwanted or unfit for consumption by adding unwanted substances. So not only these, there are many items, like if you observe, you will purchase fruits from the shop, isn't it? So take for example banana. What happens is, to make it fastly ripen, they'll add some chemical substances, okay? They'll inject some chemical items to make it fastly ripen, so that within 1 or 2 days it will become ripe, yellow, it will become yellow. Green banana becomes yellow within 1 or 2 days and we will consume it. In the same way, apple. So if you scratch the apple, you will notice it is coated with wax. White substance you will get if you scratch the apple, outer layer of the apple, like skin of the apple. If you scratch, you will notice wax coated. So like that. So these are all common food items. They are adulterated, okay. To improve the quantity, to increase the quantity, they will decrease the quality of the food items. That is called food adulteration. So by consuming such adulterated food, what happens? It causes illness in our health. Hence, we must, before consuming them, we must clean thoroughly. We have to clean such food items. Okay. So this is about your chapter Food and Health. I hope you understood. So by this your chapter completed. Thoroughly read your chapter once or twice and try to answer the question given at the end of the chapter. Thank you.